Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marley, aka the Glam Goth, if you are new. If not, welcome the fuck back. So today we are installing this wig from Julia Hair, sent over. I believe this is the Ombre highlighted wig. I want to say it's maybe 20 inches. It's not that long. I wish it was longer. I love the color. It's also giving me very Tiger King vibes. Not just saying that because I'm in my Savage Fenty robe. It's my favorite robe to just chill in. It's so comfy and just really like light. I love it. So shout out to Rihanna, she's really doing that. I just did this makeup look off camera. I just started the 4th season of Money Heist. That show is everything. Tokyo's a fucking badass bitch. I'm like secretly in love with her. Well, not secretly, I'm definitely in love with her. Before that, I watched Tiger King. A lot of things that I want to say about that show, but it's giving me very that vibe, and I love cats and I love tigers ever since the first time I watched Aladdin, and Princess Jasmine had a tiger, so I always wanted a tiger. I knew I wasn't gonna get a tiger, but I asked my mom for a cat, and which did not happen. So luckily for me, I was blessed with Raph, who was over there knocked out on my bed. Queen Raffaella. Okay. So I got it. It did come pre-plucked. I did pluck it a little bit. I feel like I'm getting better on my fucking plucking game right now. Like each wig I get more and more powerful, but all I did was put it on the mannequin head, and I just like plucked the middle part. Very Beyonce vibes too. I feel very Beyonce and very like Sasha from Bratz Dolls. Anyway, I'm gonna install this wig, I promise you. Let me ramble. Did that, and I plucked it, and I cut just like a little bit of baby hairs, and then I was like, okay, I should definitely do this on camera for you guys. So, and then I did lay down the what's it called, bald cap method. I'll link this one girl that I follow. I can't remember her name, but she does it just so quick and so fast, because y'all know, like, I don't have time for this shit. She does it so quick and so fast, and it's just very straight to the point, which I love. There's not a lot of, oh, you got to do this way and this way. It's just very lay it down, glue it, put makeup on it, it's done. So yeah, so I did lay that down and secure the sides, and she also uses this method. Oh girl, this forehead. Okay, we about to cover it. She also uses the Got to Be Free Spray method. I'm not gonna wear wig glue because I'm not, you know, it's fucking quarantine, I'm in the house. But if I was going out, I would probably glue it down, or like vacation, or I think I just need a stronger glue. Right now I have Ghost Bond, and I would just like something more powerful, a lot more powerful, because I'm not really liking this. But we're gonna use this method and see how this comes out. I'm not sure if I should leave it how it is, or if I should cut some layers, if I should straighten it. We're about to just install it, see what the vibe is, and we'll see how I want to style it. But I have not done anything. All I did was just straighten it just a little bit. I cut a slit on this side, and then I cut a slit on that side. And what I like to do is just take like the front part of the hair and then just clip it back. That way I can see what I'm doing. I like to put on the front center part first. So what she did, so I was watching, is she just sprays like this part. So let's try it. I don't know, I feel like it's not, for me it's not gonna stay, but let's just see. I want to see how she does it. So she'll just spray it like that. I guess I'm gonna pat it in. I don't know, hopefully this works. I don't know, I just feel like, I mean, how long is it gonna last if I spray it like this? Take my blow dryer and then blow dry. I need some new combs. All my combs look crazy. Okay. I don't know if I really trust that, but we're gonna cut it anyway. And then for the ear part, I haven't cut. I like to really stretch it down, but not too far. And then just cut that part off. spray it again. I think it would work better if I go like that. Okay. And just hold that. I feel like I might have like put the bald cap like way too low, but too late now. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray this part. Just give a light little touch up and then go back in. It actually does feel really secure. Okay, so now let's cut the lace, and I'm gonna use one of these little razor cutter thingies. Should I do the front part first? I'm scared. Okay. Oh, that's pretty easy. I'm getting scared. Okay. Oh my god, I can totally hear the apartment next to me watching Money Heist. That's crazy. I just heard the theme song. Come on, Taste. So I definitely like the scissors better than that little razor. I just don't feel like I have enough control with that thing. I'm gonna just spray a little bit on my finger and push down on the parts where I think that just need a little bit more grip, honey. Okay, now let's take it down, see how I feel. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I really don't want any baby hairs. But I do like when like that little part. This wig is just so pretty. Like, it's just very like 90s black Mary-Kate and Ashley, Tyra Banks, fucking even like Avril Lavigne vibes. Like, it's just so cute. Okay. I don't know what to do. Layers? No. When you first get a wig, sometimes you just have to like sit in it and play in it and see like what your vibe is. Even though I like do the same hairstyles all the time, like I never really know like how I'm gonna feel. I do love this color. It's such a gorgeous color. I don't know what to do. Okay. So why don't we just leave it like this, because it's gorgeous like this. And you guys let me know in the comments what I should do with this wig. Let me know your thoughts. Give me any hairstyle that you guys want to see. Like, I can cut layers if you guys want another bang tutorial. Even though I don't feel like this would be a good... I'll see if I have another wig that I can do a bang tutorial for you guys. But just let me know if you guys want to see like body wave, like, and then what makeup look you guys want to see. If not makeup, I'll choose my own makeup, but just what hairstyle do you guys want to see. And the wig is from Julia Hair. Everything is listed down below. Really hope you guys love this quick little video. Also to let me know what video you guys want to see next. I'm getting a lot of alternative girl tag part 2, skincare video, clothing haul. Whew. A bitch got some work to do, but I want to know what you guys want to see next. Whichever has the most requests, that's the one that I will do next. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe to a bitch, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.